beautiful, 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 beautiful angel. Love your imperfections, every anger.
Welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing Instagram chose my makeup. So I already did my brows, but today I'm going to be using products. I asked Instagram, I'm trying to get this to where you guys don't see too much of my mirror. I apologize that you're going to see like the bottom part of my mirror. If that bothers y'all, then I apologize, but you gotta have the mirror on there. I'll figure out kind of a different stand and stuff a little bit later on. But anyway, I asked Instagram if you guys would rather have me use some newer products or some of my like go-to products, and you told me you wanted me to use some newer products that I really haven't used before. So thank you to everyone who voted. We had some really close votes in some of the things that I'm doing. I do apologize that my hair is just having a mind of its own today. Yeah, it definitely is. I hardly ever wear it down. Anyway, if you guys want to see what products I use and see what Instagram chose, then just keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to pin my hair out of the way because I think that is like one of my biggest things. I know it looks super silly, but that's one of my biggest like annoyances is when I watch people do their makeup and their hairs and their face. It like drives me crazy. So I already put a primer and all that because I didn't ask you guys what you wanted me to use there, but I did ask you guys what let's see here, what first do I want to do? I think I'm going to go in with the eyeshadow first. So I'm going to apply just a base real quick. I'm going to put down some concealer. So I asked y'all if you want a more brighter eye makeup look or a more neutral, and it was so close to each other that I'm going to try to do both for y'all. So what I'm going to do is I asked if you want me to use the BH Cosmetics palette or the new e.l.f. palette. And we chose this BH Cosmetics palette right here. So very excited to use this one a little bit more. I did use this palette in a recent video. I will link that right above for you guys. I used this when I went to my sister's wedding. So I think what I'm going to do is do a more brighter look and use this. Actually, I want to use this, nope. I'm going to use this shade right here. It's like a shimmer shade. And I'm going to go in with some of that green and then like the brown right in the corner. So we're going to go ahead and just do that. I think I'm just going to speed through this when I show you guys how I do it. And then we'll move on to what you guys chose next. I just put some concealer down on my lid, so I'm going to go in with that beautiful goldish shimmer color, the Artisan Aristocrat. And there goes my hair. And then I'm just going to use my finger to apply that. Because a lot of the time, if you did not know, shimmer applies a lot better when you use your finger. Okay, I have not used this shade before, and it is absolutely beautiful. With more of that green and brown, and clean up the sides. Okay, so it was a toss-up between a black liner or a bright eyeliner, and y'all chose a brighter eyeliner. So I'm still, let's see, I'm wondering what I'm going to use for that. I did show like the Jeffree Star, I did show the Jeffree Star liquid lipsticks, but I don't have like a color that's going to match this shirt really well. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with the black like a lot of y'all wanted me to use. And then in an upcoming video, since you guys wanted to see more of and also I did ask if you guys wanted to see the glitter palette or the glitter liner. This is my first time doing this, having you guys choose what products I should use, and I really did not think about what palette and stuff would go with shimmers or this and that. So a glitter liner really wouldn't go with this look unless I did like more of like a cut crease, which I totally can do. But I think I want to save that for another look, so stay tuned for that. So what I'm going to do is just go in with a black liner. I know that's cheating, but all the other products I'm going to use what you guys said. So I'm just going to go in with a regular felt tip black eyeliner and do this. So next time I do that, the YouTube chooses my makeup, I'm going to have more options, pretty much where I think tell me if you guys think this is a good idea. I'm going to go live, and whoever is live gets to choose my makeup, like what makeup you want me to pick. Like I will tell you guys what palettes I have, what foundations, or if there's a foundation you want me to try and go get a sample of at Sephora, I will do that. And yeah, we'll just use, obviously I'm on a no makeup eye, so I won't be able to go buy any makeup that you want me to try. We'll do that in the next video. We'll do it in an upcoming video after I'm off my no makeup buy, but Manny MUA recently did that video, and I just thought it was like so fun to see him have to wear some products that he really did not want to wear. Alright, so I did ask you guys what mascara you wanted me to try out, and you chose the Stila mascara, so I'm very excited to try this. I was going to do this on a mascara Monday, but I mean, we're going to try it out right now because you guys wanted me to do that. This is the Extreme Lash Mascara, and it's Stila, and it says huge, which is a very big bottle. It's got a decent sized wand. So we're gonna go in here and see how this works on my lashes, and if this is one that I recommend to y'all. I feel like I can tell if I like a mascara, like if I'm gonna really rave about it. I know I'm not supposed to pull down on my eye, but I do, because I really like to get in there on the lashes. But I don't know if y'all are like me or not, but you can tell if you're going to like a mascara right away or not. And I can tell that this is not one that I'm like super hyped about, because it kind of just seems like mascaras that I've used before, like just basic mascara. I like mascaras that give me length, give me volume, like pretty much just give me everything you want your lashes to look like. So, I mean, it's very pretty. You can definitely see how it gave me some length. So I'm going to do my other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm not really too impressed by this mascara. I feel like it kind of just did what normal mascaras do. You know, the packaging is very pretty, but it's not something that I'm like, oh my gosh, raving about. So I'm really going to push my hair back now because I'm going to apply my foundation, and my hair looks really silly. But the foundation, I was asking you guys if you wanted me to try the Revlon BB cream, I'm pretty sure it was, or the BH Cosmetics foundation, and y'all chose the BH Cosmetics. I'm really hoping this is in my color. It's in 212 Light Olive, so let's hope. I'm going out with Matt and some friends for some lunch soon, so I'm hoping this is my color. It might be. So I actually have used this foundation before. I used to have it, and I'm pretty sure I used it all. It's one that I actually recommended to a few people. So I know this is a good foundation. I don't know if I keep saying mascara, but it's a good foundation. I'm going to use my foundation brush because I actually don't have my beauty blender. Actually, you know what? I want to use my beauty blender, so I'm going to go wet it and I'll be right back. Okay, so I asked y'all what concealer you wanted me to try out, and you said this one right here. This is the Tarte Maracuja Creaseless Concealer, and I'm actually really excited to try this out. I'm glad that I got it in little samples. So what we're going to do is try out the lightest one right here. Holy crap, yeah. It's a very thick yet creamy concealer. This looks like it has like really good coverage, which I'm actually happy about because, like I said, that foundation didn't give me really the coverage that I wanted. I'm curious. I'm going to use my finger to blend it in up here. Weird to me that it's going to not crease, but look how much that like brightened up my face. That is awesome. Okay, I asked you guys if you wanted me to use a cream blush or a regular powdered blush, and you said a regular powdered blush. So I'm gonna go in, I don't know why I'm saying it like that, blush. I'm gonna go in with the LA Girl blush. I really like this one a lot. And then just apply that. Asked y'all what highlighter you wanted me to use, and you chose the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, which is actually perfect. I'm glad you guys chose this one. But that BH Cosmetics palette is really awesome. This one smells really freaking good. Alright, and then I asked y'all what lipstick. Should I wear a regular lipstick or a liquid lipstick? And y'all chose liquid, which again, very happy about. What I'm going to do is put on a little bit of the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick and Can't Relate right to the middle of my lips, and just blend that in. And this is going to give my lips just a little bit of like a nudie color, and then I'm just going to blend it on top of the lips like this, because I don't know if y'all are like me. I have tons of lipsticks and stuff, and I really don't wear them too much just because I feel like they wear off. So I just wanted a little bit of moisture on that, so I used the Catrice Volumizing Balm. But I have liquid lipsticks that I like, but when I'm going out to eat specifically, I know that they're going to wear off, and I don't want to sit there and have to worry about that the whole entire time. I don't know, that's just me. And the Jeffree Star ones definitely wear off in the middle and stuff. So I'm going to give you guys an up close on what this makeup looks like. I actually really like it. You guys really know, what makeup products you wanted me to use. But I feel like it was a close call with almost every single one of those products. So, like I said, I plan to do more of these kinds of videos. I'm just setting my brows because I always get these brow hairs that stand up at the end, and I'm using the NYX Control Freak. But this is what I'm going to stand in front of the window. This is what my makeup is looking like. So that BH Cosmetics palette worked so beautifully, and I love that highlight. I love the blush. It's kind of what the nudie lipstick looks like. I love the black liquid liner. what was I going to say? This foundation I really like as well, and that concealer I'm actually really shocked because it was so thick, but it blended out really well. I'm going to try to wear this for a little longer and then come back on here and tell you guys how I'm liking it and if it creased bad or not, but I really like that coverage of that concealer, like really like it. So I'll come back on here and show you guys what the makeup's looking like in just a little bit. Alright, so I'm ready to wipe this makeup off. It is still looking pretty good. The concealer, I don't think that I'm too big of a fan of. Sorry, the lighting is terrible. I'm too big of a fan of that concealer. I think it's just a little too thick in my opinion. To me, it kind of resembles the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, which I'm not a fan of, like, at all. But anyway, I really want to thank everyone that's on my Instagram who helped me choose my makeup. This look just turned out very pretty. I know it's definitely a more neutral look, and some of y'all were looking for more bright looks. But if you do like some bright looks and you have any if you do like bright looks and you have any like requests, definitely let me know down below. But I do a lot of bright looks, little mini tutorials on my channel, so if you haven't seen those, I will put the playlist right here so you guys can go check that out. But thanks for joining me, guys, today. If you enjoyed this video, be sure you hit that bell notification button so you don't miss out on any of them and you get notified when I upload. Also subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Toodaloo.